Bonsoir. Okay, welcome to Econo Lodge, Flagstaff, Route 66. Let's go ahead and get this tour started. And when I do these tours, I try not to see the room before you see the room on the adventure video. So, totally new to me, totally new to you. Alright, it's kind of a small TV. Of course, refrigerator and microwave, gotta have those. Got your telephone around there. So this is a 2-queen bed. I requested upstairs and they were happy to accommodate me. They even gave me the option of being near or far from the stairs. And of course I prefer to be farther from them because if you're near them, then you're going to hear people going up and down and all that. That's a pretty neat little artwork piece right there. Where's Hawaii, though? Anyway. Let's see what we got back here. Ooh. Alright, let's see here. Got a little bit of closet action. Okay. I guess I'll use two luggage racks. The floor is cold to my bare feet. Good thing I brought socks just in case. Alright, so here is the toilet and bathtub. Looks pretty good. All right, got a little coffee maker here. It's not CV1 brand. Oh well, Hamilton Beach. That'll do. That's the brand is my microwave at home. Actually, I didn't look at the microwave here, what that brand is. Guess I'll take a look in a moment. Some Econo Lodge soap. Hopefully this lathers better than the last place. Oh, it's a Choice Hotel. Okay. Some shampoo. Tissue. Yeah, so, okay. Oh, the brand is Danby. I don't think I've ever heard of that. And I don't see a brand on this one, on the refrigerator. But anyway, yeah, this room is much smaller compared to the last room I was in. I mean, felt like I was really taking time to do the tour in the last room. That last one was in Mesa. And the reason why it was so big was because it had a kitchenette in there. But anyway, so thanks a lot for, maybe this chair needs to be moved out just a little bit. Okay, so anyway, thanks a lot for joining me on the room tour. Econo Lodge, Flagstaff, Route 66, and with the 2 queen beds. You know, I don't know why they make the rooms with 1 bed like $10 or $15 more than the room with 2 beds. Because even though I'm just going to use 1, I mean, I think they tear apart both beds after someone stays. But anyway, and as I look at these beds, I don't think I'm going to sleep in that one deeper in. I mean, I would prefer to, but it looks like that bed is actually sinking in the middle more than this one right here, which doesn't really appear to be doing that at all. So, well, anyway. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.